Welcome, and this is the question number 10 practice for the Ckad, and this is about the readiness prob. So scenario is that in namespace new deployment name neo API deploy exists. In the container, the pod is listening on the port 8080. The application exposes a health endpoint add path ready. The task is add a readiness prob to deployment with the following configuration. Get on the path that is ready, port is particular given, initial delay second is 5, period second is 10. So if you are not aware about the readiness pod, well are soon completing our CK full course, so there will introduce this readiness pod also. So, and the requirement is do not change the deployment name, do not change the namespace, and all these things. So what is the expected outcome, and this is just for the reference. So here as we are Control L clears the screen, so we need to initially create the deployment because we are in the fresh. So deployment, don't worry, I'll give the mention link for this deployment. You can create your own also. So namespace is neo not found, so first create the namespace neo, ans neo. So now it is created, now apply. So it is apply get pods -n neo. So this is container creating, wait for a few seconds. So it's running now. So we need to edit our deployment. So I already told many times in our session that we have to take a backup. So kget pods -o kget deployments. So first place new, so tab is working. So deployment apps and our deployments. So what is our deployment? We already kget deployment, so I'll show you here in second tab. Kget deployment apps -n neo. So this is the neo deployment. So copy this and take the backup of it. I always used to take two backups. First backup, and I'll put no touch backup. So cat backup, so it is there. Most of the time we forgot to take the backup or some matched with that backup, and so I'll take two backup always. If I see yes ls, so there are two backup and not touch. This is for our disaster management, so if something goes wrong we'll create fresh. So Control L, and now we need to edit. So edit whatever that command we have given. So instead of that get, need to put edit. So here just go to the container section. So before this ports, just here put all the things whatever required. So go here, and in this search just type readiness prob. So readiness prob is here. So here initial delay and period is already mentioned. So here liveness prob is there. So readiness we need to search Control F readi readiness. So here we'll got the readiness prob. So this, so you have to mix and match this port. So first you need to get this readiness prob. So I'll copy this readiness prob and I'll paste it here, and then I need to give this http get ready and port number is 80. So dash http get. So copy this, paste this here. So if we control F V, so here I need to all this. So you can just press I and fix the indentation ports, and then need to have this. So it is in line with HTTPS gates. So go here V. So two things here. So you can do it with the visual block mode. So Control and V. So visual block, you will see here visual block mode is activated, and then now you need to do a down arrow. This two is selected, then press capital I. So this you will see, and press space and then escape. So you will see all those are inserted. So do it once again, because here I won't see, here is it line. So you can do it from here also. Just escape and Control V. Again you are in visual mode. Press down arrow or J. This is selected, and now press capital I, and then you need to press space and then escape. It will take a little time. and this is done. Now the initial delay period is need to edit, so it is I'll arrange. Okay, so I'll arrange spy and 10. So delay is spy and this is 10. So escape wq, something is wrong, so it's showing the temp file. So escape, here path is actually ready, and http gate, so indentation is still not right. So this error is came, so control v gate. Oh, so you can do with easy to this here, or you can still use that indentation. And now escape wq, this should not be done here. Deployment is edit cancel, so temporary it is saved. So if we cat this file, then you will find here somewhere unknown should be there. Yes, here unknown field, spec template, spec container 0, readiness protocol. So protocol is a problem, so no issue, control C and will vi and will remove this protocol. So wq, and now in the first attempt it be done right, then it's okay. Otherwise you can still apply this apply -f yaml. So deployment is configured, k rollout status of and neo, and what is deployment, and what is the name of deployment is new deploy. So 1 out of 2 new replicas have been updated, so we have to wait because rollout restart is there. So our problem is not with that issue, but here the node become unready, not ready. So we'll create this again. So thank you so much for your love and support. You will try by your own. So this is I will delete this video when we'll create new video. So thank you so much for your love and support. After this done successfully, it will show that rollout successfully, then our question is solved. So we need to check whatever the pods and whatever the things. So thanks once again.